Now we packed the mold with clay. We let it dry for a day or two, and then we reduce it, try to get it to less than 3/4 of an inch, half an inch, hopefully less than that, so it can maintain the integrity, and then it could be completely dried. Right now it's leather hard, so that means we could use this. This is the bottom of the hand, and then we'll be attaching the fingers, which I have the mold here. So this is one finger, for example. Which one is this? It's been a while. So the finger, or is it like, yes, it goes like this. So we still have the inside here, which I have to attach here. This is the part that's missing. Then I have to pull that off in order to, this is the inside here. And I'll be pushing clay into here. Pull it off, shave it, put some elements like that so that the surfaces don't collapse. As they're too far apart, they can collapse. So you put like braces almost of the same clay. Setting everything up this morning. I have a lot of stuff to put away. Sometimes you may need some extra water to release.